friends, sorry that I'm not here today, so I thought I'd make a quick little video to kind of help you out if you have any questions. We're going to do a Gizmo today, so there is a link in Google Classroom that should take you to the Gizmo. It's called Conduction and Convection, and it should look similar to this. When you get that, you'll have some choices between different substances of this hollow or solid pipe, and you can also change the temperature. Okay, and you can look at data, and then if I ask you for a screenshot, here it is right there. Remember that you would click the camera, right click, copy image, and then you can go ahead and paste it into your document. The document, the first round, there's 3 slides. The first slide is about conduction. So is the transfer of heat, or conduction is the transfer of heat between solid objects. So we're going to use the solid pipe to separate the 2 flasks. You're going to use the solid one. So you would delete this part, hollow, okay? And then of the 6, which do you think is going to be the fastest? You can put your guess there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the temperature of the initial temperature of the top and the initial of the bottom using the copper solid tube. And then you'll, after 500 seconds, record the temperature and do that again for gold, lead, stone, glass, and rubber. And then when you're done, you'll write what substance conducts the heat the best. And remember, we're talking about conduction, so we're looking at solid. The next slide is about convection. So when we talk about convection, we're looking at the transfer of heat between air or liquid. So we're going to use the hollow part of the tube to separate the 2 flasks. How do these positions of hot water affect the speed of convection? So what we're looking is how they affect the speed. We're at the positions of the hot water. So it should be either at the top or at the bottom. Okay, so you're going to take 2 screenshots. Remember the screenshots I took before? You're going to click, you'll right click. It's not going to let me because I'm in presentation mode. You right click and you should be able to paste it in, or Control V for paste. The third slide is this one, conduction versus convection, which will transfer heat faster, conduction or convection, which one moves it faster. So we're going to take some data, and you're going to do the first data is looking at just conductors, right? So a solid conductor versus a hollow conductor, and you get to pick the material, but whatever you pick should be the same material. So if you pick copper for this top one, solid conductor, you need to make it hollow copper. And then you're going to do it again, because the first time you have 30 degrees Celsius at the top of the triangle, and then the second time you run it, you have it at the bottom. So 3070. See where I'm getting this 3070 from? So you'll look at that and you'll record the temperature after 100 seconds. And you'll do that again for insulators. You're going to pick the one that doesn't conduct the heat the best. So whether you pick copper again, probably not copper, you're going to pick one that works better as an insulator, a thing that's not going to move heat very well. And then which substance, or what substance, heats both flasks to the equal to the best. All right, so you're going to tell me about equal, which you expect to be the best insulator, which is going to transfer heat the best, conduction, convection, and which substance heats both flasks the best. Okay, that is all you have to do. It's 3 slides. You have 90 minutes without me interrupting or bothering you. I'd love to see you all finish this. And again, I'm sorry I'm not with you, but I will be there on Tuesday. Have a great Memorial Day break.